Hi, I am Miss Hartley from North Clayton High School. I'm a teacher as well as the technology liaison of the school, and I want to share with you really quickly per teacher request on how to possibly share or embed a link with utilizing Google Gmail. So you can, of course, do this in multiple different ways and for various different purposes, but I'm going to use my Google site, and you can do this with any link that you would like to add onto maybe an email. So the first thing that I would want to do is very simple. Go ahead and grab the link. So in a Google site, the link share is right here, and you have to make sure that your site is published first. So if you're using a site that's already available, you don't have to worry about that, but make sure you grab your link. And you have to also consider, and I'm going to go ahead and grab it because I know what the settings are on mine, but you also have to consider, exactly who should be able to access this information. So if you're sending out a link that is coming from a Google site that may be restricted to who can view it, make sure that you look at your settings or share with other settings. Click on the little guy with the plus sign. Let's see and make sure that he pops up. And it
Here's
creates
a result from search.
a pop-up that will, and it's a little slow about loading, will give you a view on exactly who can see my Google site. So I'm going to look at change just to make sure. And right now it's public. There are various different ways of changing it. That's a restricted site. There's my district. And then of course I can remove the link. But right now mine's on public since I don't have anyone else have given anyone else capabilities of editing my site. Everything's in order. I'll click done. I've already grabbed that link from right here. I'm going to my email. So to make it a little more aesthetically pleasing and less confusing on how the site will show in your email as you're sharing it. So I would just name this Miss Hartley's website. Oops, there we go. So I can either highlight it and then click the hyperlink, insert link tab on the bottom, and then copy and paste my web address, or I could have just had it blank and then type the text to display right here. If I want to change that, say I meant to write Mrs. Miss. You can make that change. It will appear once you click OK. So I'm adding, and just remember wherever, and I'm pasting, remember wherever your screen is right here on your site or whatever website you're sharing will be the link that will appear first off for those that you're sharing with. So if I would have had it on a different tab and then grab the shared link, then it would have appeared in a different, starting on a different starting point. All right, let me go back here. So once I click OK, I have it sitting ready to go. I can email it. I can tab on it, and it'll give me a chance to go to the link to test it, remove it, or actually change it. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. And I'll be more than glad to get more pointers and more tips for you. Thank you for watching.